In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate an object along a spline in Cinema 4D. By the end, you'll have a clean, controllable path animation with consistent speed from start to finish. We'll start by creating the path the object will follow. Add a spline in the shape you want. This could be a simple line, a curve, or something more custom using the pen tool. If you need a closed path, make sure the spline is closed in its settings. Keep the points reasonably spaced for a smooth result. You can always refine them later. Next, create the 3D object you want to move along that path. It can be any primitive or a more complex model. Place it near the start of the spline for clarity. If orientation matters, like a car facing forward, check that the object's axis is set sensibly so it rotates correctly along the path. Now add the Align to Spline tag. Select your object, then from the Animation menu, choose Tags, Animation, and Align to Spline. You'll see the tag appear in the Attribute Manager. This tag is what binds your object to the path. Assign the spline by dragging it from the Object Manager into the Spline Path field of the tag. As soon as it's assigned, the object should snap onto the spline. If it looks offset or rotated oddly, that's usually down to the object's axis or alignment settings in the tag, which you can adjust without changing the core process. Time to animate. In the Align to Spline tag, locate the position parameter. Move your playhead to the start of the timeline and set position to 0%, then create a keyframe. Move the playhead to the end of your timeline and set position to 100%, then keyframe again. The timeline length determines how fast the object travels, so if the motion feels too quick or too slow, adjust the duration rather than cramming more keyframes. To ensure a constant speed along the entire path, set the spline's intermediate points to uniform in the spline's attributes. This spaces the evaluation of the curve evenly, preventing slowdowns in tight curves and speedups on straighter segments. Finally, open the F-curve editor and set the keyframe interpolation for the position track to linear. This removes easing, giving you a steady, predictable motion from 0% to 100%. If you still see any easing, double-check both keyframes are set to linear. That's it. You've animated an object along a spline, assigned the path, keyframed the position, and locked in a consistent speed with uniform interpolation and linear keyframes. Save your scene and you're ready to refine timing, orientation, or materials as needed.